Sweet little Remy taking a little heat bath next to this radiant heater. She's just kicking back. Notice how her wing is all cocked out. How cute is that fucking bird? That's my pigeon wife. She's awesome. Hi Remy. How you doing, baby? She's always within a foot or two. She is. She's always very close, so if she's not close, it flips me out. She's awesome. She lays, this is no shit, she lays eggs on my fucking bed. You know, that's where she sleeps, with me and the cat. It's fucking Remy. She's cute as shit.